In this video, I'm going to give you a crash course on how to read a tape measure. We're going to start by doing this. We'll start with this is 0, and this is 1. That's 1 inch. Okay? Right here is half. 1/2. These little lines are 1/16. These are your 1/8. And this is your quarter. Quarter, half, 3/4, whole. Okay? 0, quarter, half, 3/4, whole. Okay? Now these little lines right here are 1/16. Okay? Now they go 1/16, 3/16, 5/16, 7/16, 9/16, 11/16, 13/16, and 15/16. Okay? Alright, now comes the tricky part. These are your 1/8. Now, how this goes is you got 1/8. Now you want to call this 2/8, but it's not. It's a quarter. So always call this line a quarter. This will be your 3/8. Then this one obviously is your half. 4/8, but always call it a half. This will be your 5/8. Now this will be your 3/4. It is not a 6/8. Although you're counting it as 6/8, it's 3/4. 7/8 and a whole. I hope that didn't confuse you. Now if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can either email me or comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.